So over here from YouTube Studio playlist section, let us go around and access this playlist. And in this particular playlist, you can see that I have videos arranged in a certain order. So if you want to go around and sort out the playlist according to how you like, then one of the things that you can do is over here on the left side where you see the two lines. You can click and drag around to change the order of the videos, as you can see, just like this. Another thing that you can do is you can go around onto the sort area on the top, click over here, and here you can see that you can sort it in various ways. Like let's say you want to sort it as date added, then you can sort it out likewise. You can sort it out by date added oldest over here, just like this, which is right in opposite section, as you can see right here. If I were to go around over here onto most popular, then you see the video which is most popular on your channel first. Then you can go around and arrange it by date published over here as well, and date published from oldest to newest, just like this. You can also go around over here and click on the three dot button right here. And here you can see you can move this to bottom right here, just like this. And then you can move another video to top over here, just like this as well. So that is what you can do, as you can see, and sort out the videos according to how you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.